Hey guys, Andrew here with Great Lakes Sprouts Media. We got Tyler here today too. Do a little bit of a cleanup. Sprayed these with some organic weed killer. Killed all of these. We'll be tearing this stuff out, weed shielding, putting mulch down, add a couple plants. Let's see how this baby turns out. Alright guys, we're pulling out the weed shield, cutting it to length, breaking the dirt, leveling it out, taking it away from the house here. It's going to allow us to take the weed shield and kind of tuck it without having to use pins. And put the stones back in to hold it as well. We're going to start adding the mulch on top. Customer can decide if they want to cut a hole, put some plants in if they want, but you know, this is going to leave a nice clean slate for them. Here I go in the backyard cleaning up all the debris. A lot of stuff in there over the years. Everything here was sprayed before, a couple weeks before to ensure it's all dead. I'm going to go through and weed whack here. I'll have Tyler coming through here in a minute with the flamethrower. You see him on the right side there. It's a really easy and quick way to get rid of dead materials and burn the stuff. Always have some water around you, especially if it's a real dry, hot summer day. Both of us, teamwork, getting this thing looking nice. After this, we're gonna blow everything off, see what we have left, you know, clean it up so we can see what we missed. We'll go back through again, and here's the homeowners coming out, Mr. Richard. He's very happy, very content. Tyler going back through everything that we missed to make sure we got a clean slate. We're gonna start taking the weed shield here after Tyler burns everything. Nothing's gonna come through though, because we got the real good stuff. It's the double woven stuff. Customer can come through later if he wants and add some plants. Just cut a hole, put some plants in, but yeah, still burning stuff here. Pulling out some grass, bamboo in the back here that's coming through. We're gonna trim that bush, make it look nice. Level everything out here. You want to make sure all the soil is level. So we'll put the weed shield down, put the mulch on top. It looks like a nice, you know, even, flat, clean slate. Tucking everything around the plants. We'll use some of the bricks that are there to hold it down, but also pin it. Here's Tyler folding it over. It's pretty quick if you have two people, a lot easier. Cutting it through, overlapping, tucking it underneath the plant. We're gonna start putting the mulch down after this, a nice thick layer. Typically 2 inches is what most people have. You can do 3. If you got extra, you know, it's not gonna hurt anything. We went with the brown color here because it gives it a nice off-tone, dark color compared to the light brown. But here we go, guys. The finished product. We added 2 Julia plants there that I had. Customer didn't want to add anything. He wants the lowest maintenance possible. Come around the corner here. We left these hydrangeas. They're still nice, good shape. And there you have it, guys. This thing turned out real nice and customer was happy. That's the most important thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe below.